Head turn, go. Hello, guys, girls, and other pronouns. We are going to be doing this makeup look. If you find this video useful, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and give it a good old thumbs up. Alright, let's get started. Step 1, light Yankee candle. Step 2, it's concealer time. Don't know what I'm concealing? Probably my soul, but anyways, we're moving on. Pat that banana powder on your face and get ready for the next step. Because it's time to look fierce by putting the shadow to my eye. Alright, so now we're just going to be layering our colors up, okay? Just layer after layer after layer. That's the second one. Okay, sorry, skip the first. You're just going to blend, baby. That's all you're going to do. Blend, 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 and that's it. Really. There's the third one. I chose orange to look like a beautiful sunset in the sky. Next, we got a Sydney Blixt exclusive. We're going to conceal the inner part to, quote, brighten. That's right, babe? Brighten. Brighten the eye. And now I'm just going to use my normal voice because this is getting tiresome. We're going to go ahead and blend that right in and move on to eyeliner. So we're going to make it nice and pointy for them wings. And I want them to touch the tippy top so it looks real nice and sharp and fierce. And then don't want to forget the other one because I've done that once or twice and look like a homeless person. And we're going to just make it nice, pointy, straight, looking nice and good. And then we're going to go on to mascara. Now this brand that I use is Maybelline The Rocket. Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's Maybelline. Probably one of the most derogatory statements ever said. And we're going to be going on with the eyelashes. Now, I personally hate the eyelashes. They scare me to death every time I see them in the bathroom. We're going to go ahead and put on our eyebrows. And we're just going to shape them. You know, just making them look better, bigger, bolder, bushier. And then just go ahead and shape those eyebrows with some more concealer. Keep concealing your soul, your mind, your thoughts. It's okay. It's okay. Just go nice around the forehead. Just start giving a nice glimmering look under the forehead, in between the forehead. All about the forehead. And we're just going to apply this foundation on my cheeks and smear it in. I like using makeup brushes, not pads, just because, I don't know, got more of a firm handle on the brush. And we're just going to go ahead and smear and apply and pat, pat, pat all that foundation around and apply some more concealer. I like applying a concealer like a kitty cat, so I basically make like a little kitty mask, make my little whiskers and my little under my nose and my chin and smear and wipe and yee, meow. And I am using a sponge, so I guess I don't really have a preference towards the brush versus sponge debate. Sorry, ladies, can't give you a conclusive answer right now, but we'll figure this out in the boyfriend takeover video 2.0. Doubt it'll ever happen. And we're just going to go ahead and apply more of that banana powder. You know, got to get that vitamin K one way or another. I love potassium myself, but I hate the taste of bananas, so woo and wisp. And so after that vitamin K is all absorbed, we're just going to go ahead and dust that off like a little brush and apply some bronzer. We're going to be bronzing it up. Yeah, like a penny. Yeah, bronzing. We're going to darken ourselves by bronzing it up more and more and just keep on bronzing. You don't want to be too bronze because then you start looking like a statue, but we get the right amount of bronze in there. All right, now that after that's all blended in and put on, we're going to apply some contour to make those noses look a dash smaller than they normally are. All right. And after that, we're going to apply just a bit more banana powder over here, you know, because we love our vitamin K. That's what we do. And, yeah,
apply some of that. We're going to do this color, don't know what that is, and apply that under the eye. Again, just love them eyes. And that color, don't know what it is. Again, under the eye. Swipe, swipe. That color, once again, under the eye. And now I'm thinking about it, I think it's the same color that was on top of the eye. She's just doing it under the eye now. So we're just going to go with that. Shadow it in. Spray some of that water on you. You know, ooh, it's getting sweaty. And then bronzer. Nope, 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 nope. That's more shiny stuff. We're just going to look more shiny, actually. Correction. Highlighter. Sorry, babe. And we're just going to go ahead and apply that highlighter all around the face where you need. A little dabble here or dibble that. Dab here. I like it on the nose. A little scruff, scruff. Rough, rough. Get the mustache area nice and fine. Around the eyes. Nice in. Got to get where the eye boogers are so you hide them. Get those under the eyebrows so they really make it look fierce. Ooh, yeah. Rubber band coming out, ladies. Let's show it. Ooh, dance party of one. Okay, and now we're just going to apply some lip liner all around our lips. Nice and smooth all around. Put in the crevices, you know, make it nice and smiley. Whatever that stuff does. Yep, just keep on rounding it. More of that Maybelline mascara just to finish off some minor touches, you know. Got to, once again, get more lip liner because you never have enough. Ooh, I'm a fancy bitch. What's good? Can't say that. And this is my finished makeup look. I hope everyone enjoyed this video. I think I look pretty, and I know you can too. Just follow the steps inside. Thanks for watching, guys. Mwah! Bye!